Hi, my name's James Cadman and I work for Action Sustainability in the Supply Chain School. I head up the school's plant category group, which is a collaborative working group of organisations from up and down the value chain in the construction sector. It includes organisations such as Highways England, a client organisation, Tier 1 contractors such as Balfour Beatty and Costain, but also plant hire companies such as Flannery, Lynch, Speedy Hire and Gap Group. The focus of our work has been to develop a set of minimum standards primarily on tailpipe exhaust emissions, on the air quality emissions that can lead to detrimental health impacts, NO2 and PM, but also on climate emissions, CO2 from the diesel and petrol and other fuels that we consume. Our intention is to set out a set of standards that we can work to say, look, this is the minimum we should be working to, and then ideally going further and better where we can to further reduce those detrimental exhaust emissions. To make this more public and get more interest from other organisations, we've developed a commitment charter that we want as many organisations to sign up to as possible to publicly demonstrate their commitment to reducing air quality and GHG emissions. The first of these is Flannery Plant Hire, who you'll hear from in a minute, but many of the other partner organisations in the working group are likewise intending to sign up to the charter. And if you're watching this, we'd love to hear from you and get more signatories to the charter too. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Chris Matthew. I'm the Strategic Plant Manager over at Flannery Plant Hire. Firstly, I'd like to say that we're really proud of the work that we've achieved with the Supply Chain School over the last couple of years, and specifically in that time helping them with their recommendations around the plant charter. From our perspective, from a business's perspective, we're really proud to be one of the first signatories to the plant charter itself. We think that by putting some set standards in place, it will help Tier 1 contractors and OEMs alike understand exactly where this industry needs to go to achieve its sustainability goals going forwards. So in terms of the impact that it's going to actually have on the Flannery business, it's a couple of things. From my perspective, I would say that it's vindicated a number of our investment decisions. Over the past few years, we've become market leaders with technologies such as hybrid, clean fuel, and latterly the adaptation of electric plant. I think what the industry is telling us is that this is the way that they want to see the technology go. So having a plant charter helps guide plant hire companies such as ourselves that this is in fact the right journey to be upon. But further on from that, what it's also done is it's taught us the need for more understanding with regards to the data. So how are we actually using the machines? Could we utilise them in a better way? And then with regards to the training of the operators, can we use that information to actually help them be better at what they're already doing? So with regards to how I'd like to see the charter develop in time, it's understanding that here's our yardstick for technology, here's where we'd like to take it from an innovative perspective, but also how can we adopt these practices better within our businesses? How can we use that information to make more grown-up decisions? And how can we help train our operators so that they can be better out in the field?